how to create an email automation using system.io. Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'll be showing you how to set an automated email marketing campaign. So an automated email is a way to create emails that reach the right people with the right message at the right time. Once you set rules for automation, you don't have to send any email every time. So let's get started. First, you have to follow the basic sign-in process to use system.io. Then this is our dashboard, and we have main dashboard, affiliate dashboard, and marketplace. Then we have contacts, funnels, emails, where we have newsletter, campaigns, and statistics. Then we have blogs, automations, products, and sale. And this is our account setting and language setting. So for creating an email, first of all, go to email and click on campaign, and we'll create an email first and we'll set automation later on. Now click on create, and I'll name it as welcome email, and description is not required, so I am leaving that for now, and save. Once I saved it, then I have to click on this link over here and add an email. The sender name will be obviously my company name, or you can add your own name if you like. And this will be the email address from which the email will be sent, and the subject will be welcome to my course. And then we have two options for our email, like a visual editor or a classic editor. So I am choosing classic editor for now, and then create. So we'll be writing our email here, and we can also add an image, a table, and we can also embed a link to this email. And we also have this substitute variables, like if I write welcome, then what will be written after welcome. So I want my student's name here, so from substitute variable I'll choose first name, and then after welcome the first name of my student will be written here. So now my email is ready, and now I can also add an attachment with my email. And we have three options to save and send a test email, to just save and publish. So I'm going to click on save and publish. So now our email has been successfully created. Now I'm going to set an automation. So go to automation and click on rules and create. And we have two things here, trigger and action. So trigger means couple of action which happens, like for example, if someone has subscribed to your funnel or subscribed to your blog, then what will happen. So right now I am choosing if someone has enrolled in my course. So I'll choose a course from here which I have created, and then what will happen if someone subscribed to my course will be set from here. So to subscribe them to a campaign, or maybe remove them from tag, or send an email. So I'll choose send an email, and then I have to choose which email. So welcome email, and then same rule. So now our automation has been successfully created. Now if any of my students will subscribe to my course, will get the welcome email. So this is how easy it is to set an automation using system.io, and automations are very useful to business. They save a lot of time. Once you have set it up, it will be in action until you deactivate it. So hope you guys find this helpful, and if you have any question regarding this topic, please comment down in the comment box. And thanks for watching my video. I'll surely catch you up